Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this cursor animation CapCut PC. Go to stickers and select the cursor. The cursor one is under trending actually, so you don't have to look that far for it. It's this one, or you can choose this one right here. You can select it and move it on top of your video like so, and if you want to have like an animated cursor, just add in a keyframe, for instance like here, and you want it to click on the photo like right here. So you're just going to move it up here so it looks like the mouse is moving. And then, for instance, here you want the the mouse to move back. So I'm just going to add a keyframe here again. And then here, I'm going to move it like up here, I guess. And then like here, I'm going to add another keyframe. And I want it to move again to like, here. Totally up to you, but that's basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.